Hey everyone, and welcome to here.
Today, we're diving headfirst into the future to explore 20 emerging technologies that are poised to completely change the world as we know it. From artificial intelligence that surpasses human capabilities to lab-grown meat that revolutionizes the food industry, get ready to have your mind blown.
The rise of the machines and helpful robots. Number 1 on our list, artificial intelligence, AI.
AI is already making waves in self-driving cars and facial recognition, but it's just getting started. Imagine AI doctors diagnosing diseases with pinpoint accuracy or AI engineers designing buildings that can withstand anything. Next up, machine learning, a powerful subset of AI.
Think computers learning on their own, like mastering complex games or even writing music.
This tech is already helping fight fraud and improve image recognition. Let's not forget robots. These mechanical marvels are getting smarter and stronger, taking on tasks from manufacturing to delicate surgery. In the future, robots might even be helping us with housework or providing companionship to the elderly.
A world of connections and big data.
The Internet of Things, IoT, is here to connect everything from your fridge to your fitness tracker. Imagine a world where your devices talk to each other, automatically adjusting your thermostat or ordering groceries when you run low. Speaking of data, the age of big data is upon us. We're generating massive amounts of information, and with it, comes incredible insights. From healthcare research to understanding consumer behavior, big data is a powerful tool for businesses and governments.
The cloud takes over and blockchain makes us trustworthy.
Cloud computing is changing the game, offering businesses access to computing power on demand.
No more expensive servers, just pay for what you use.
Security is paramount, and that's where blockchain comes in. This revolutionary technology creates a secure and transparent record-keeping system, perfect for everything from finance to supply chain management.
Virtual adventures and a glimpse into the future.
Virtual reality, VR, is taking us to entirely new worlds. Imagine training for surgery in a VR simulation or attending a concert from the comfort of your couch. The possibilities are endless.
Augmented reality, AR, overlays digital information on the real world.
Think repair manuals popping up when you point your phone at a broken appliance, or virtual furniture helping you redesign your living room.
Engineering the future, from genes to food.
Gene editing is a powerful tool that allows scientists to modify the genetic makeup of organisms. This could lead to cures for diseases, improved crops, and even genetically modified pets, though maybe hold off on the designer poodle for now. Speaking of food, 3D printing is making waves in the culinary world. Imagine printing out a delicious pizza or a perfectly customized birthday cake, layer by layer.
New materials, new energy, and a sustainable future.
Scientists are constantly pushing the boundaries of material science, creating lighter, stronger, and more efficient materials for everything from airplanes to solar cells. As we move towards renewable energy, efficient energy storage becomes crucial. New battery technologies and flywheels are being developed to store solar and wind power for when we need it most.
Nanotech makes it small.
Neurotech makes it big.
Nanotechnology deals with manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level.
This tiny tech could lead to breakthroughs in medicine, electronics, and even creating materials with entirely new properties. Speaking of the brain, neurotechnology is helping us understand and interact with this complex organ. Imagine treating neurological disorders with brain implants or even using brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, to control devices with our thoughts.
Growing up and eating up, rethinking agriculture.
Vertical farming takes agriculture vertical, stacking crops in layers to grow more food in less space. This could be a game changer in urban areas or places with limited land for traditional farming. Lab-grown meat might sound like science fiction, but it's becoming a reality.
Meat is produced from animal cells.
So, which of these emerging technologies excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the future.
Until next time, stay curious.